Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Great Alphabet Song. Are your singing voices all warmed up and ready to go? Because today, we're going on an amazing musical journey through the entire alphabet. This is going to be so much fun. So, are you ready to sing, clap, and learn with me? I sure hope so. Our fantastic alphabet adventure is about to start. Come on, let's go.
That's right, it's an alphabet party. We're about to meet our first 13-letter friends all the way from A to M. Are you ready to say hello to the very first one?
First up, we have the letter A, and A is for apple. Can you make the ah sound with me? Apple. Perfect. Just look at that shiny red apple. Don't you just love apples?
And what comes next? It's B. B is for baby. Let's make a super bouncy b sound together. Ready? B, baby. Oh, what a cute baby.
After B comes C. You got it. C is for candy. The C makes a k sound. Let's try it. Candy. That candy looks so sweet and yummy.
And here is the letter D. D is for dolphin. Can you say d with me? D, dolphin. Wow, look at that little dolphin swim and splash. Whoa, what's this big letter? It's E. E is for elephant. Let's use a really big voice for the E sound. E, elephant. That is one huge elephant. Now for the letter F. F is for fairy. Let's make a soft flying sound like this. Fairy. Oh, what a beautiful flying fairy. Let's say a big hello to the letter G. G is for glasses. It makes a g sound. Let's do it. Glasses. Those are some very shiny glasses.
Here comes H. H is for horse. Let's make a breathy sound, like we're running. Ha, horse. Look at that horse run so fast.
What's next? It's I, and I is for ice cream. Let's make a yummy sound. Ice cream. That's my favorite. Get ready to jiggle, because J is for jelly. It makes a fun, wobbly j sound. Jelly. That jelly looks so yummy and fun to eat. Next up is K. K is for keyboard. It makes a sharp k sound, just like when you're typing. Keyboard. Click. Look out, it's L. And L is for lion. Let's make a long l sound. Lion. Can you give me your best roar? Roar. Awesome. And our last letter for this part is M. M is for monkey. Let's hum together. Monkey. What a silly jumping monkey.
Wow, you are all alphabet superstars. We've met 13 whole letters. Are you ready to meet the rest? Okay, because we're going to go a little faster this time. Let's have some fun with the letters N all the way to Z.
Let's keep going. Ready? N is for needle. O is for orange. And P is for pony. You're doing great.
Let's keep it up. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. And S is for sun. You're doing wonderfully.
Here are 3 more. T is for train. U is for umbrella. And V is for van. We're almost there.
We're at the end of our alphabet party. W is for water. X is for xylophone. Y is for York. And Z is for zebra. Woohoo! We did it! You've learned all the letters, which means now it's time for the Grand ABC Sing-Along. Okay, take a nice big breath and let's sing all the letters together. Ready? Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yay! Give yourselves a big clap. Now we know our ABCs. You all did an absolutely fantastic job today. You did such a great job learning your letters. So, I have one last fun question for you. What's a fun word that starts with the very first letter of your name? Think about it. Thank you for singing with me today, and we'll see you next time for another adventure. Bye-bye!